Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Klein here. Okay, today we are doing April, week 2, day 4 and 5 for saving the animals and for water worries. Okay, so we're going to go through the questions and kind of do those together. They're all extended response questions. So we're going to work through those together, okay? Because it's a lot of writing. So I'm going to pull those up for you. Hope you're all doing well still. I've enjoyed talking to some of you. Okay. Says, use the article Saving the Animals to help you answer questions 1 and 2. So I'm going to scroll back and forth between the article and the questions so that way you guys can see where I'm finding some of them to show you guys how we can go back into the passage to find answers. Okay, so how were animals at the Kabul Zoo affected by war? So if we go back to the story, it says right here, Afghanistan has suffered from years of war. Bombs and bullets have destroyed parts of the Kabul Zoo. Many animals at the zoo and in the city died or were injured in the fighting. And if you look, it also goes down here and it says that the team members that went to help repair and work, help to aid the animals. It says that they repaired the zoo's cages and pens, and they also treated the injured zoo animals. Okay, so they helped in, oops, hold on, let me see if I can find, oh, there we go. Okay, so how were animals at the Kabul Zoo affected by the war? We're going to restate this. Animals at the Kabul Zoo. Just gonna get right. Were affected by war because what were the two main reasons? The animals were injured and their cages were damaged, right? Animals were injured and their cages were damaged. Okay. Alrighty. That is a lot there, but we can do this and make it all fit or mostly fit. Okay. All right, let's look at question number 2. What did people in zoos from different countries do to help the animals at the Kabul Zoo? Okay, so what did they do? What did that 3rd grade class do? Yeah, they had a bake sale to raise money. And the North Carolina Zoo also raised money. And then what did a team of scientists and veterinarians do? Yeah, they actually went to the Kabul Zoo and they helped the animals, okay? So we're going to restate this. I want you guys to think and tell me, how are we going to restate this question? What did people in zoos from different countries do to help the animals at the Kabul Zoo? Okay, very nice. I liked some of what I heard. So I'm going to go ahead and say what one of you guys said. People and zoos from different countries helped the animals at the Kabul Zoo by raising money for them and by sending a team to aid them. Okay, so they sent the team of veterinarians, the team of scientists to go there and help them. They helped the sick, hurt animals, and then they also helped repair cages and that kind of thing. Okay. All right. Use the article Water Worries to answer question 3 and 4. Number 3, almost 1 billion people don't have clean water to drink or use in bathrooms. Why is clean water important for health? Okay, let's go back up here and look. Why is clean water important for health? And it definitely tells us up here. All right, I want you guys to look at this paragraph right here. Oh. Ah! Oh no. What did I just do? Okay. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Stop, Mrs. Klein. Okay, look at that paragraph. It says world leaders say it's important for kids to have good hygiene or cleanliness. Drinking clean water and washing your hands after using the bathroom can help prevent diseases. Guys, that's why it's important for our health. Okay? You guys know this, especially right now. We definitely need clean water to wash our hands to help prevent diseases. Okay, let's go down here and let's try to restate what they said. It says, why is clean water important for health? How are we going to restate that? Why is clean water important for health? What are we going to say? This one's easy. Clean water is important for health because it helps to prevent diseases. Okay, we just took that straight from that paragraph, okay? You guys did great with that one. That one was pretty simple. We're going to look at the next question here. I'm going to give you guys time. If you need to pause the screen to get all of this, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to scroll to number 4. What is one way that aid workers have helped people without clean water? Okay, can you guys remember this one without going back? What have they done to help people without clean water? They installed something. Yeah, they installed some pipes to help. Okay, so how do I restate this question? What is one way that aid workers have helped people without clean water? Yes, okay, we're going to say one way that aid workers have helped people without clean water is by installing pipes. Okay, they're installing pipes for people to get running water, guys. That's a big deal, and it's great because now they're going to have clean water. Okay. Use both articles, Saving the Animals and Water Worries, to answer question 5 and 6, okay? Look at question 5. How is the effort to help animals at the Kabul Zoo similar to the effort to provide people with access to clean water? Okay, so let's think. How are the efforts to help the zoo and the effort to help people with clean water similar? What do they have in common? Yeah, I'm hearing some, yeah. Okay, guys, are both situations, both problems in the same country as us? No, They're not even in the same country as each other, okay? They are problems that are in the world, okay? So they're in other countries, okay? So, and they both had people from different countries helping them. People from different countries are helping both situations. So we're going to say the efforts to help the Kabul Zoo and providing people with clean water are similar because they both take place in other countries, and I'm going to say both get aid from across the world. So they get help from across the world. All right. That's how they're similar. Okay. Whew, that one took up a lot of space. Very sorry. Okay, number 6. Can a worldwide community help to solve the problems in different countries? Use evidence from both texts to support your answer. Okay, guys, this is where we have to actually copy down a sentence from both texts to support our answer, to show that we know how we know the answer. So, first question is, can a worldwide community help to solve problems in different countries? We read both of them. We know the answer is yes. We have to tell why now, okay? We have to show evidence showing, yes, worldwide community can help these problems. So let's go ahead and answer the first part first because we don't need the text for that. Yes, a worldwide community can help solve problems in different countries. Now we're going to go find our text to support that. Okay. All right, let's go up. I'm going to find something from both stories showing that help from around the world can help solve these problems. Okay. Trying to find what I was thinking. Okay, you know what we can use from this? Because it doesn't really say, it says aid workers have been helping install pipes around the world. Okay, so technically we could probably use this sentence right here. Aid workers have been helping by installing pipes around the world. Okay, we could use that. We could also use down here one of these where it talks about how we can help here at home, what we can do to help. But I think this one will be the easiest to type up for this. Aid workers have been helping by installing pipes around the world. I'm going to try to remember that. It's hard when I'm trying to remember a quote exactly. In water worries, it states, now we have to put in quotes what it states. It states, aid workers are installing pipes around the world. Okay, my quote might not be exact. You guys have the story in front of you, so you guys can make sure that you have the exact quote. Okay. All right, now we're going to look at the next story. Let's go ahead and start it though. So uh-oh, Mrs. Klein's writing on the wrong answer. I'm so sorry. Let me see if I can copy and paste this. We are definitely not there. We are supposed to be writing down here. Sorry guys, my bad. It did, it copied and pasted. Okay, so that was in the story Water Worries, where we found that quote. Now we're going to look in the other story, Saving the Animals. So in Saving the Animals, it states, and now we're going to have another quote, okay? This is how we show evidence, guys. We actually have to put what it says in the text and put it in quotes to answer this, answer our questions, and show evidence from the text. So let's find how worldwide community can help solve problems. This one should be a little easier to find that in. So let's see here. Here we go. Right here, guys. An international group of zoos led by the North Carolina Zoo raised more than $500,000 for the animals of Kabul. So we could use that. We could also use a team of scientists and veterinarians traveled to Kabul. Okay, we can use either one. Either sentence is fine. Just because I'm going to have a hard time remembering what to quote, I'm going to choose the shorter one. A team of scientists and veterinarians traveled to Kabul. Team of veterinarians and scientists traveled to Kabul. Team of veterinarians and scientists traveled to Kabul. I'm seeing all kinds of problems now. All right, there we go. Veterinarians. Right. And that helps, that answers that last question there. You guys, this was pretty difficult. You guys did a great job. You hung in there, and you guys can pause the screen if you need to get some of it written down. Thanks for working on it with me. I miss all of you. I hope that you're all well, and I can't wait to see you. All right, love and hugs. I'll talk to you later. Bye.